Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a seat in a Honda Accord. Right now we're at the back of the seat inside the vehicle, and you got to take off. It's got these little plastic covers, which we've got a couple of them off already, but it's got these plastic covers right here that go over the seat track assemblies where the bolts go. And what I find works best so you don't break the little tabs is using, if you got some type of pick, and you just bend up on the sides and honestly just pop it off like that, and they pop right out without breaking the little tabs on the back. But this vehicle, we got new seats for it. These seats are completely trash. I'll show you when you see the front. And then we're going to shampoo the carpet also while we get the seat out. But once you get these covers popped off, which we got them off on both sides, then we're going to remove the bolts and pull the seat out. And these bolts that hold the seat in, you can see them there. There's one there, one over there. On the rear, those bolts are a 14 millimeter. You know, and it's a Honda, so you know everything's metric. So we're going to take it, turn the light here so y'all can see. And there's one over here on this side, right by the center console. Well, I said, oh, and this is the driver's side seat also, by the way. There we go. I got my impact in there. There's one. Let's turn to the other one right down there on the floor and get to the other one. And then we're going to go to the front of the vehicle and slide the seat back. Alright guys, we're right here at the front of the vehicle. Like I said, as you can see, it's got these leather seats in there. These things are trash. We've already got the passenger side replaced with nice cleaned cloth seats along with the rear. I said now as we got left is this driver's side. You know, these Honda, these leather seats, well really any vehicle, don't really matter. You know, matter on the manufacturer, even on Mercedes. These leather seats, they just don't last. Let's see, what I like to use is a little pick here with a little curved in on it. You can pop right underneath these clips and just like that. Lift these tabs right up and you don't break them. And come around to this side and do the same. Trying to get underneath the actual plastic clip without getting under the bracket itself on the seat. Kind of a pain, but like I said, you can either come on, baby. One second here. I need both my hands to pop this off. There we go. Popped it right off. Like I said, use a little clip so you can, without breaking those ears off on this clip assembly, and see then you don't break the sides where it locks in at also onto the tabs. Alright, we'll slide that out the way and we'll undo that bolt right there. Like I said, these bolts that hold this seat in are 14 millimeter. Okay, there's one. Go right over here to the other side right there. We'll undo that one. I said, There we go. Now we just got to undo the electrical for this seat. Oh look, there's a quarter. Undo that wire. Undo that wire. There we go. 1 second, guys. Let me put you down. Obviously, I need both my hands to pull this seat out. Alright, there you go, guys. And that is how you remove the seat on a Honda Accord. I said, hopefully this video was useful and it was entertaining. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. And y'all have a great day.